John McDonald to get these players out.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the action. This is the quarter-final stages of the Coral UK Open, brought to you by the Professional Darts Corporation, live on ITV Sport. And at this time, we welcome the millions of viewers joining us around the world to Butlins Minehead. Let's get the action underway and let's meet the players. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of 2 PDC ranking events, it's the Iceman, Gerwyn Price!
I'm on a roll. It's time to get solo.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the winner of 7 PDC ranking events. It's time to meet the king of the dab. Ladies and gentlemen, here he is, the Diamond, Ian White!
One Englishman's already booked his place in the last 4. Will the other remaining Englishman join him, or will there be Welsh representation in tonight's semi-finals? We'll find out very shortly in the company of Chris Mason and the very dapper Stuart Pike.
Yes, all suited and booted, Jackie, and looking forward to a terrific finals day. We've already seen a fabulous quarter-final. Alan Norris edging out Kim Huybrechts in a last-leg decider, and me and Mace here reckon that this one could be equally close. A real opportunity today for someone to grasp the moment, to seize the day, to win a big TV major. Will it be Gerwyn Price? Will it be Ian White? But a real opportunity. Of course, the only former winner of the UK Open left in the quarter-finals, Raymond van Barneveld. He will take on the favourite Peter Wright a little later on. But Ian White, who reached the quarter-finals here in 2014, fair to say, he's had the luck of the draw. He's got under the radar, and here he is on the main stage for the very first time.
Yeah, it's always nice when you can just plod along and, like you say, go under the radar. This is his first real big match, only pushed by Kirk Shepherd so far. And Gerwyn Price, we've seen yesterday, averaged 101.26. Looked very, very, very good. Looked switched on, in the zone. And he's going to have to be like that against White.
Well, putting down a marker straight away.
Prolific scorer, Ian White, when he's on his mettle.
Yeah, you talk about the luck of the draw, but sometimes that's what you need, especially in the UK Open. You know, Paul Barham, Kirk Shepherd, Martin Lukeman. With no disrespect to those players, anybody would have taken that route through to the quarter-finals.
58.
Gerwyn Price beating Justin Pike, David Pallett, and over 100 average. Very impressive against Paul Hogan. His finishing was spot on as well. So
it was brilliant, wasn't it?
Yeah, we're expecting a
57.
Well, from both.
Yeah,
they were both prolific in that department. I mean, there was finishes of 126, 167.
Yeah, and Ian White, I think he beat Kirk Shepherd with a 158. He hit a 160 against Lukeman.
Yep.
And that's what we're expecting this afternoon. We're just tuning in. Alan Norris beating Kim Huybrechts in a
fabulous
last
game,
leg decider. Huybrechts missing 2 match darts. Still to come, Simon Whitlock and Daryl Gurney. And then Wright against Van Barneveld.
For me, the last 8, they're all pick'ems. You wouldn't pick 4 for a lucky 15 with any confidence at all.
134.
I wouldn't pick 4 for a lucky 115.
No.
26. Well,
Well, poor visit from the Welshman. So 6 darts for Ian White if he needs them.
Might only need 3.
Double 16.
93.
No finish for Price. Early nerves. Takes a while to settle down up there.
65. And you require 16.
That'll do. Doesn't matter how many darts it takes. It was 16 in the end, but a holder throw settles everything down when you've got the darts.
140.
Sometimes you get up there and it's literally just like the practice board, and other days you get up there and it feels totally alien.
What do you make of the respective players and
55.
where they are in the world and where they may go and what they're capable of or not?
Well, it's a great opportunity, like you said. It's only Barneveld that has any previous year, so I think it's a tough draw. Peter Wright, Barneveld. You know, potentially the winner could come from there, but there's literally no reason why any one of the 8. Well,
121.
now that Kim's out, but Norris or the other 6 can't win it. It's just, it's wide open. It's a great opportunity. And obviously it's disappointing not to have Michael here, but what a great chance for someone to lift their first major, and then who knows what happens from there. Once you break that duck, it must be a huge weight off a player's shoulders to know that what your main mindset was when you first started playing the game.
No need to go for it. He went for treble 7, so that's fair enough with Wright back on 185. Yep. Discretion the better part of for Gerwyn Price.
I don't want any dramatics at this stage. It's all about getting a chalk on the board. 1-all, you start again.
100.
A little bit of pressure.
13 darter to hold throw. The added bonus, of course, for whoever reaches the final, guaranteeing their places at the Grand Slam early on in the year. The 2 finalists will clinch spots at the Grand Slam of Darts later in the year.
59.
Good darts from Price.
100.
That is where you want to hit it, against the darts.
Yep.
Ian won. Quarterfinals is best at any TV major. The World Championship, the World Match Play, the World Grand Prix, twice at the Players' Championship, and previously here at the UK Open. Lost 10-8 to Van Gerwen 3 years ago in the quarterfinals here. But he's just desperate, isn't he, Ian White? He doesn't want to have the tag of journeyman pro.
Yes.
He wants to achieve.
Well, the fact that he's won 7 ranking events is evidence of the fact that he has the game.
He's had a darting renaissance. People may or may not know, but he gave it up for a long time before.
Make the News of the World final, didn't he?
Before coming back and playing in the PDC.
60.
But he's made a good living out of the sport. But he wants big trophies, don't they all? But solid top 16 player. But he wants to be better than that. Fair play to him.
127.
A loose last one.
127.
Treble 19 ball. Yep. Button.
102.
That's been a good response from White.
And you require 57.
After his opening 3 darts,
Yeah,
yes.
and then seeing Gerwyn Price hit a 180. This would be a great leg to win.
Yes,
And
there
so
we
on
go.
the third leg, Ian White will go into throw first.
Nice response from Price.
99.
First to 10. Looks good, doesn't he, Ian White? Very comfortable, focused,
85.
looks fresh. A long day.
It's all like one game at a time, isn't it? The old hackneyed cliche, but it's true. You know, White in a 7th
120.
major TV quarter-final, yet to win one. One at a time.
To put
On
a
a day
new
like
stem
this.
in. That's what he's doing in the background, behind Ian White.
140.
You get a look of the damage. Here we go. Watch the piece come off. Completely snapped part of the stem off. There's a little bit of rubber that goes on the thread of the stem to stop it, because you use aluminium stems. Metal on metal has a tendency to loosen, so that bit of rubber keeps it tight. Look at this.
Yeah, it did the trick.
Superb. Yeah. Got some. Just changed my stems, I think. Must be the problem. What a response.
Excellent for both. Really good. 3 in a row. That's real pressure now on Price. 106 average Price. 105 average for White.
70. And you require 96.
Treble 20 double 18 will be the perfect route. Here we go.
Can it be 5 perfect darts? Big dart, this one.
87. And you require 32.
There's a hole for Gerwyn Price.
Gerwyn Price.
104 average Ian White. 105 Gerwyn Price. Really good darts. Ian
Gerwyn
White.
Price's 2 winning legs have both been in 13.
Yep. White had a chance to break though.
Yep.
All 4 legs on throw.
Just knew this one was going to be tight. Like the previous.
140.
All 8 players so equally matched. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
That's 3 and 3 legs for Gerwyn Price. A former rugby player. Now very much making a career out of darts.
Well, people forget he's still fairly brand new to the sport.
Ian White, at least he can laugh at it. 7 scored.
7.
7 scored's the norm for me, mate.
Yeah. I know, I watched you play last night. $140 will keep him interested.
95.
Break opportunity for Price. He's all over it. It's a loose one.
81.
He's left to finish.
Yeah, 114 in front, minus these. Won't want to hit a ton, obviously, because that would leave 159. So, treble 20 to leave 160.
59.
So 6 starts, 145 for Price for a break. And to go into the break, 3-2 up. 75 left.
87.
That'll do. 58 when he comes back.
We're in the last leg. Ian White missed 2 darts to break the Price throw. You would think the Welshman is going to have 2 darts to do just that to Ian White.
100 going, you require
How quick this game
58.
can turn on its head. 18 tops.
Wow. After scoring 7 with 1 visit, this would be a terrific hold for White. Shake of the head from his opponent. He knows he's had a great opportunity. Will he get another?
Trouble 15. No.
33.
So double 5
10.
for 3-2. Little adjustment. And a little bit more.
Oh, last dart in hand. Double 5 means it's 3 legs on the spin for Gerwyn Price. Ian White making a mess of that 5th leg. And the Welshman strikes the first blow in a battle for a place in the semi-finals of the UK Open. Time to reflect for Ian White. Gerwyn Price leads 3-2 on Sunday afternoon at the UK Open.
Leaves a 2-dart finish.
Going, you require
Treble
7.
10, double top. Yep. Tops. Brilliant.
Oh, it is. It's 4 consecutive legs as well for Gerwyn Price. What a
On
time.
a roll.
What a time this would be for Gerwyn Price to break his duck against Ian White. He's never beaten White in competition. Ian White with a second maximum. 5 defeats from 5 matches for Price against White, including, you may remember, this on this stage, the Players' Championship 2015, last 16, and White won it 10-9. He could be winning a few friends here.
135.
Well done, Stu. But Price is becoming a better player
83.
with every match, in my opinion. He's learning his trade, come from one sport to another, with massive success, considering how long he's been playing at this level.
And this is perfect timing for him as well to rediscover his touch. Had a tough time of it in the last months or so. No real success in the big TV events.
No.
And
But I honestly believe you learn your trade on the floor, and then
yeah.
the TV stage it's like learning your trade all over again. It's just a totally different environment.
You have 3 consecutive
First rounds.
at the World Championship defeats.
54.
You know, that's tough to take, I'm sure,
Yep.
when you go in with so much optimism.
Well, he doesn't lack confidence.
No.
140, and you require 32.
Important to win this leg for Ian White. 13 darter.
Not only did he have a tough match in terms of the standard, he had to play the crowd yesterday against Hogan, who was a crowd favourite, the Cinderella man. Not your stereotypical dart player.
100.
Built more like a boxer.
He doesn't shy away either, does he?
134.
Brilliant 134 to follow on 140. And he's still averaging 101, you know. 102 in beating Hogan in the last round.
140.
And his good form is continuing here. Gerwyn Price.
He's playing lovely.
Excellent.
109.
Fourth of this match.
Yeah, 11 darter on the cards. We mentioned it was his second major quarter-final, TV major quarter-final.
Match play was the other one, wasn't it?
2015, correct.
100, going you require 47.
7 tops. That's white. Lovely
11 darter.
Lovely leg of dart.
I begin to throw first. Game on.
And a disappointing 7th leg, but fabulous response, and does have that break of throw. Halfway there. 5-3 up.
Gerwyn Price, from his exploits already this weekend, has gone up to 18th in the world.
Wow.
So he's knocking on the door of the elite top 16. Yep. Of course, £11,500 guaranteed for the quarter-finalists. That goes up to £17,500.
That's what you get for this weekend, didn't it, Stu?
Yeah. In your dreams, Mace.
140.
But ultimately 70,000
That's a chunk of money
for the winner. But a TV major, which would mean so much to all of these players left in the tournament.
should stay there now. Oh, brilliant, brilliant. Another treble 20 will leave him a shot.
82.
Well, he went for the 54 to leave 170, which I don't know why, because second dart was plumb in the 60. Perfect. All irrelevant if this goes in.
12 darter to follow an 11 darter from the Welshman. Still that one break of throw, the difference in Gerwyn Price's favour.
Only one real poor leg in this match, and that was an 18 darter. The rest of it has been 16, 13, 15, 13, 18, 14, 13, 11 and 12. Which all equates to both players being way over the 100 average, as you can see. Proper game of darts, this.
97.
Finishing stats right up there, 44 and 50. Proper game. Look at that.
100.
Price with that all-important breaker throw, giving him a little bit of breathing space.
21.
To consolidate that. White applying a bit of pressure in this one. Great response to 167.
Keeping his cool as well, isn't he, Price?
Yeah, he's getting, for me, he's getting better and better with every appearance. He's looking more and more like what he is. A professional dart player.
140. I mean, you require 167.
Sure is. Ah, brilliant setup. These tops. Tops after 12. 143 for White. 9 darts thrown.
10th leg, White averaging 104, Price averaging 103.5.
Oh.
It's on. Oh, unlucky.
Right on the money. That would have left his hand and he would have known that was close.
Oh, this is the biggest start of the match for me.
Yep. Oh, wow.
And he knows it. A scream from Gerwyn Price on the stage. Ian White put the pressure on, but still Gerwyn Price holds sway. Really, really good quality quarter-final at the UK Open. Price goes off for a break. White stays on the stage. All to play for. The finale coming up. Price leading 6-4. UK Open, Alan Norris a winner over Kim Huybrechts. Coming up next, Simon Whitlock against Daryl Gurney. Cracking game that will be. And then Peter Wright against Raymond van Barneveld. We'll round up our quarterfinals here. Gerwyn Price looking to beat Ian White for the very first time. And he's making a good fist of it. 6-4 up, a break to the good.
To throw first.
And a good standard as well. White 104 average, Price 102 average. You've had 7 180s.
15 140s.
It's been good.
Finishing stats. 6 from 13 Price, 4 from 9
140.
White. Very, very impressive game of darts so far. Big fan of both.
140.
Does it really knock your rhythm? We just saw Gerwyn Price drop one of his darts. Does it matter?
Not when you feel that good. You know, you would be you're fully aware up there how well you're playing, how comfortable you feel.
140.
You know, some days it's hard work. But for both these guys, they've been playing darts solidly now for 2 days. They're, in their comfort zones. They feel good, and they both know, they've got every chance to lift their first major. And they feel good. There's a few that don't. My goodness. And I felt a bit ropey.
I'm going to ask you if it was like looking in a mirror. Yep. Well, he was
113 going
for 25, wasn't he?
Well, he's basically saying to Gerwyn,
you can't get it.
You can't get this. On this occasion he's right, but risky business. No real damage done, it's only a hold to throw, so Price will be fully aware of that. Another 13 dart leg. Really, really impressive standard, this.
Well, the simple equation for Gerwyn Price:
hold
your throw, you win the match.
60.
It ain't
Here
that
we go.
easy.
Well done, Stu.
It ain't that easy.
I'll let him deal with you after this match if he loses. I mean, how many games did you actually commentate on that I won?
140.
Not many.
Not many, Chris.
It's your fault.
Not many.
Jinxie.
If any.
140.
Still a chance, though, for Ian White here to break back. Lovely solid ton, that.
Yeah, keeps him interested, doesn't it?
Yep. Now forcing Price into a 2-trouble visit.
100.
Bethan.
Gerwyn's other half.
Lucky lady.
96. In your 121.
Important leg, isn't it, now? There's no danger he won't go for the ball.
Absolutely. Trouble 17 Button. No. So. Oh dear.
56.
Caught in two minds. He wants to go for the treble 16.
Twixt in between, wasn't he? 5 tops.
Big dart for the Welshman.
That's
what a
absolutely brilliant.
Well, cool under pressure.
We might look back at that moment in 10 or 15 minutes. In retrospect, it was some finish. What a response from White.
140.
The Welshman, a chance for the perfect early birthday present. Gerwyn Price, 32 on Tuesday.
86.
32, was he? That's all he is. Damn. Damn.
I'll let you have a word with him after.
Not a problem. If I didn't have a bad
59.
finger, I tell you. Bit like Hayes' Achilles, yeah.
Good darts again. 107 average, Ian White.
140.
Still unable to break the Gerwyn Price throw.
Well, there we go. Well flag.
121.
Fifth 180 for Price. It's been a fabulous match, this. Thoroughly enjoyable. Double 18 for a 12 dart leg and a hold.
A 30 player. Ian White will be let go into throw first.
He needs one of those on the Price throw. Is this the opportunity?
59.
That's not going to cut it at this level. With White averaging 107, it's sub 15 dart legs, so
Can White take advantage of Price's 59?
no. Oh, what a last
100.
dart. Oh, look at them stats. Superb. Not enough.
85.
Will this be? There's always a key moment in a match like this. That 105 checkout. Not the last leg, but the previous leg for Price was key. Will this be another leg?
85.
The only break of throw came in the fourth leg.
Yeah, 13 darter for Price.
121.
Hello.
You could just feel the
Oh,
tension.
yep.
Just going up a little notch
Palpable.
now, can't you? The finishing line is in sight.
This is perfect. 180 all day long.
190.
Now the Price throw seriously under pressure.
60.
Oh, 6 darts, 136 for 7 apiece.
136.
Could this be the moment? It's been a great match. 9 180s, 23 140s. Relentless from White, 15 of those 23.
96.
Both,
Waited a while to break the throw, Ian White. This his moment.
both finishing well. So
60.
there's no danger of this not going in.
40.
55% for White, so statistically shouldn't miss.
He serves in a 40 there. Ian White.
Advantage White now.
Yep.
Leg
Now favourite for the
into
match.
throw first. Game on.
Scoring better, averaging more, finishing better. Goes big favourite now. Look at that. What a game.
78.
That's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
High quality.
Superb. But that 140 line is White.
96.
White is 7 points in front on the average. It's been a little bit more reliable. Price resilient. White favourite. Needs a 140. Ton keeps him interested. All in White's hands at the moment. Forcing Price to find another gear. Definitely now.
108 average now.
Brilliant performance by both.
57.
Another fabulous quarter-final. We've seen a great one in the first match between Hybrids and Norris. This has gone up another notch. No real damage.
93.
Leaves a double after 12. A very comfortable hold of throw.
134. He requires 16.
Just go ahead.
Well, as I've said, stats suggest he's not going to miss.
Come on, Whitey, he said.
There
There it is. 3 legs on the scrim.
Needs to stop the rot.
140.
That's how to do it. 10 180s in this match. 5 apiece. The Wizard of Oz. Simon Whitlock fans.
121.
Lager fans. Gotta love the UK Open.
131.
Gotta love the darts. This has been a tungsten treat.
$100.
70 left.
125.
Do. Stops the rot. Has to. As we're closing in on the winning line of 10 legs. Price wins this one. It's a best of 3.
140. Going you require
Both still
105.
over the 100 average. 5 tops.
Taking out this a couple of legs ago.
85.
Trouble 20, trouble 20. Double 10.
10.
The desired route.
Some go 18, 18, double 16, no?
Yeah.
Triple 18.
Trouble 20, double 10.
The conventional route.
Oh, what a moment that would have been.
100.
All right, double
You
10.
require 20.
For 8-8.
Superb.
What a match.
So it is indeed the best of 3. But White has the darts in 2 of those legs.
Huge advantage. I have to say, Ian White looks as cool as a cucumber.
100.
Doesn't look phased or rattled. Playing within himself.
100.
1 break apiece. What Price will give to break the White throw. Relaxed play for me and White. Really comfortable. Price being made to force the issue. 40 behind plus these. You can tell what he's thinking. Wouldn't make a poker player, would he? What a last start.
100.
2 tons and a 140 in this leg for Ian White.
57.
Not enough for
No.
Gerwyn Price.
160.
No. Just trying a little too hard. Like I said, with Price at the moment, it's experience versus desire. shouldn't even think about the treble 17 and doesn't. May go ball to leave a 2-dart finish. 16 tops when he comes back. If you'd gone the other route, you'd have only been guaranteed 1 dart at a double, potentially. Unless you would have hit the treble 10, obviously.
And you require 56.
So, to go within 1 of a place in the semi. Tops. And no real pressure. Says he.
21.
That was
Did he
woeful.
feel the pressure though?
Absolutely. Treble 18 should be.
58.
3 double 16
And you
then.
require 35.
Deep breath.
There is pressure here.
Yes. Well, the pressure of the winning line and a place in the semi-final. There was no pressure from Price. There we go.
So 4 out of the last 5 legs for Ian White.
58.
This is a great opportunity. Remember,
This is all about experience, Stu.
just 16 months ago, at the Players' Championship final here in Minehead. The last 16 then, White 10, Price 9. But what price? White 10,
100.
Price 8.
Repeat or revenge? Oops. This is great.
135.
Come on, Gezi. Gezi Price fan.
Hybrex and Norris went to a deciding leg. Is White against Price going to follow suit?
Not with darts like this.
140.
Price needs 2 trebles, really. Minimum 1.
58.
Well, White now has the throw in his own hands. 6 darts, 2-6-1. He's in the semi.
.106 average. Is he closing in?
What a time. Rescued the
81.
situation. So 6 starts for Price now. At 250 to go hill, 9 apiece.
$83.
Yeah, good thinking. 140 from White. And he'll force Price in to taking the 167 out. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear.
Pressure.
Where is that?
Pressure.
Yep, pressure. Spot on. Button.
84.
A loose last one.
Yeah,
The moment is getting to both players.
absolutely. You can feel it. Oh, look at the shake.
Yeah.
I'm not sure about that, Ian. Open target to leave tops. Well, it's still down to Price to take this 83 out and
84.
treble 17, double 16,
83.
17, 16 ball. Right, make sure this 16 ball for 9-all. Oh my God!
33.
Really?
Well, it hit the wire. I think it may have hit the inside of the
I
wire.
can hear it. Oh no,
And you require 70.
long way off.
So, Ian White to reach his first ever major TV semi-final.
Oh goodness,
His
16
nerves
button.
again.
Oh, Ian.
Well, that's incredible.
What on earth are you doing going for the treble?
Incredible.
Really? So much experience.
Nerves.
That's just madness.
30. Gerwyn, you require 50.
To stay in it. Last dart in hand. Ian White. The pressure got to Ian White.
Boom!
19
Good respect between the players. One leg of darts.
Game on.
Ian White making a mess of that leg. The pressure got to him. Can he hold it together in the decider?
Repeat or revenge? The last time they played, it was 10-9. Ian White.
61.
An opportunity in the opening 3 darts.
It's amazing what pressure can do.
Ed's gone. Absolutely, Ed's gone. It's all about the B word.
That's all, yeah. Who can hold it together? Wins the match.
How's he done that? He's got the old shaky Stevens going on. Ian White.
100.
Fair play. Solid there. Oh,
Great
there we
response
go.
this, though. Great response.
100.
That'll do.
Absolutely. At this
One
stage,
treble per visit. Price has got to find 2, you would
yes,
think.
needs a 140.
140.
What fantastic
It's brilliant, isn't it?
entertainment.
Absolutely brilliant. Love it.
Both desperate to reach their first
look at
TV
this.
semi-final.
Oh my goodness. There you go, Ian White. Nothing Price can do. Got to feel
43.
the Gerwyn Price played his part in an absolute epic.
Well, where did that 180 come from?
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
Astonishing in the final leg.
Doff my cap.
He's busted score!
Gerwyn, you require 160.
Oh, this would lift the roof off the place, wouldn't it? Treble 20 tops. For the most unlikely of victories.
On another one. It is tops!
Oh my goodness!
Unbelievable! Absolutely astonishing! Ian White! It was there for him to win! Gerwyn Price with a 160 finish to reach his first ever major TV semi-final. My oh my, the price is right in Minehead. 160 finish. Unbelievable. Price wins 10-9.
Heartbreak for Ian White, missing the chance to reach his first TV semi-final for 20 years. Instead, it's the Welshman Gerwyn Price who landed a whopping 160 checkout to reach his first ever TV semi-final. And he's rather pleased about it. He's reflecting on it now, catching his breath with Ned.
What a finale, and what a treat we've had so far. Two absolute belters, but I think probably Gerwyn, the way that one panned out, I mean, nobody could have scripted those final few darts of that encounter.
No, I think most of the game I was chasing Ian. I think he was scoring really well most of the game. I'd pinched one leg halfway through, and I was, I'd had a one leg cushion in a break, so he pulled it back, and I thought, oh my God, here we go. He's playing really well. I'm going to have to play well now to pull it back, and thankfully he missed, and I had one opportunity and I took it.
I mean, so much emotion to get yourself into that decider in the first place and level it at 9-all, and then he rushed into that big lead. You must have did you not let your head drop and think, well, it's gone at this point?
No, not at all, and until that final double goes in, you're still in the match, but at 9-8 down, I was like, just give myself a chance with my leg, and anything can happen in the last leg decider, and I'd done that, and I thought, to be honest with you, I was on 203 and he was on 20. I was like, just give myself a chance, and I hit 43. I was like, oh my God. But yeah, he's at a stupid double and bust, thankfully.
Where were you at that point? Did you have your back to it, or did you know what was going on?
To be honest with you, I'm so involved in the game, I can't remember what's happened. To be honest, I can just remember it in the last double, and that's about it. But yeah, I don't know. I probably wasn't even looking, and I heard the crowd, and then thought, just hopefully the first treble goes in and the next one will follow, and the double went in as well. Two
trebles and the big double at the top, and then you turn to the crowd. Have you ever celebrated like that before? Because that was, I mean, there we go. Look at your reaction there. That's the biggest win of your career. You're into a TV semi-final. I mean, what are you thinking at this point?
I haven't got a clue. I'm just thankful the double went in. Ian probably should have won that game and he bust, but I took the opportunity that come arising. Thankfully I'm into the semi-final. I had that feeling before in the match play in the quarter-finals, but it's nice to get that again, and hopefully there's many more. I mean,
Gerwyn, I suppose the problem, it's a luxury for you, but the problem is now, after the emotional high and you've been put through the ringer a bit there, get your heart rate down and go again, because that's the name of the game now, isn't it?
Yeah, well, it was only one leg. The game was up and down most of the way through. I think I'll just have a couple of hours off now, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I've never been in this situation, but I'll do the best I can and play the best I can tonight.
Uncharted territory, but you deserved it. Well on, Gerwyn.
Thank you very much.
Cheers, pal.
Cheers. Well done.
Yes, could Gerwyn Price become the first ever Welsh PDC winner on television? I wonder. We'll find out later on tonight. Well, after those two epic quarter-finals, which both went the full distance, our third quarter-final has got quite a lot to live up to. Simon Whitlock was full of confidence in his post-match interview last night after seeing off Willie O'Connor. He reckons he can go all the way. Reckons he will go all the way. Why not? Daryl Gurney, though, another man who's not lacking in self-belief, and he's looked